someone very special with our Lifetime Achievement Award. Each year at the convention, our Lifetime Achievement Award recognizes someone who's a great artist who's contributed to the arts community. We choose people who have made a huge contribution in the world of painting, and sometimes they're an artist, sometimes they're a historian, or someone playing another role. Tonight, in our tradition of PACE, we're honoring a very special person who's made a huge difference in the art world through his teaching and his humbleness to uplift artists. So what we would like to do now is to congratulate our artists, but first we want to roll this video.
Ned Mueller's journey began in 1940 in Wisconsin. In 1944, his family moved to Bozeman, Montana, where he was drawing and painting by the age of 4. He spent his formative years surrounded by the rugged beauty of the mountains. There, he found encouragement from his family, friends, and teachers, along with endless inspiration from the natural world around him. Once in high school, his English teacher quickly recognized his artistic gift and allowed him to create illustrations for the school in exchange for a grade. Before long, he became the go-to artist for caricatures and illustrations for the school and his fellow students. As a young man, the Montana wilderness instilled in him a deep love for the outdoors and a freedom of spirit that still permeates his work today. His youth was also marked by an incredible competitive spirit, fueled by his involvement in many sports. That same competitive drive extended far beyond the playing field, becoming a powerful incentive to constantly improve and excel in his art career. Eventually, his raw talent and competitive spirit earned him a scholarship to the Art Center School of Design. It was there, in a perspective class, that he discovered he was short-sighted in one eye and long-sighted in the other. The college soon had him teaching art to high school students and even substituting for college courses, revealing his deep love for teaching. After graduation, just prior to the Vietnam War, Ned signed up for the U.S. Marines, where he ended up with a medical discharge. Finding his footing in the professional world, Ned started his career as a courtroom artist, a magazine illustrator, and an advertising storyboard artist. He also worked as an in-house illustrator for the nuclear industry. In one memorable assignment, he eyeballed an incredibly complex nuclear system and rendered it perfectly in three-point perspective. His mind had learned to compensate for his vision challenges, allowing him to visualize and draw with remarkable accuracy. That same unique drawing ability proved invaluable when he contributed to projects for Boeing. Then came an unexpected and exciting opportunity. Ned joined Disney Imagineering, where his exceptional skills brought life to Tokyo Disney Sea, Disney's Animal Kingdom, and Disney California Adventure. Working with Imagineering, Ned created large, stunning concept drawings that showed exactly how these new parks and attractions would look, turning bold ideas into vivid visual reality. In the 1980s, Ned began directing his creative energy fully toward fine art. His exceptional talent was quickly recognized, earning him invitations to some of the most prestigious Western art shows in the country, including Prix de West, the Northwest Rendezvous, and the highly regarded Artists of America exhibition in Denver. By the 1990s, he broadened his subject matter and embraced the growing resurgence of plein air painting. He spent more time working outdoors, painting directly from nature, and formed important friendships within the art community. While Ned's dedication has taken him across the globe, he is particularly fond of week-long trips into the mountains with friends and horses, painting from dawn until sunset. He has always been conscious of building a morgue, a vast personal library of reference photographs. This collection allows him to travel the world through his art, even when he cannot travel in person. Beyond his incredible body of work, Ned's legacy is defined by his deep commitment to fellow artists and students. He is most proud of his teaching and his efforts to provide scholarships to emerging talent. He founded the Puget Sound Art League and is one of the founders of Plein Air Washington Artists. He was also one of the first instructors at the renowned Scottsdale Art School. A couple of his proudest accomplishments include being named a designated master with both the American Impressionist Society and the Oil Painters of America. Ned is a people lover, which is evident in the sensitivity of his portrait and figure work. His studio reflects the man, filled with books, artifacts from his travels, and drawings. But look closer and you'll find the humor that defines him. A BS button for fun conversations, odd hats, and goofy glasses he might put on unexpectedly. He is continuously working on improvements, forever saying, "I'm still learning." Ned Mueller has not just painted the world. He has enriched the lives of all who know him. His work is a monument to a life lived with integrity, passion, and an endless curiosity. It is our profound honor to present Ned Mueller with the Plein Air Magazine Lifetime Achievement Award.
So, normally Ned would be here, but he sends his regrets because, unfortunately, with the health thing that he's suffering right now, he has gone to the emergency room 13 times in the last month, and he's suffering with some things he could not come. So we've put together a little video from Ned right now.
I am so honored and thrilled to accept this Lifetime Achievement Award. I really wanted to be there, but my health situation keeps me away. But I'm very grateful to Eric Rhodes, Plein Air Magazine, for all their support over the years. I first met Eric when he was taking a workshop through our Plein Air Painters of America. It was in Colorado. The original Plein Air Magazine had stopped printing, and Eric had told me that he was going to start it up again. And well, the rest is history. I was invited to demonstrate at the first two conventions at Las Vegas and Monterey. Nobody could figure out why Las Vegas, for God's sake. There's nothing there but gambling. But as it turned out, the rugged scenery just west of the city was just marvelous, and the artists loved it. I got second place in that first year of the salon, but no one ever remembered who gets second or third, especially when first place is $15,000. My good friend Camille Preswadik, God bless her soul, and I gave our demos on stage together that first year. And I gave her quite a bad time. She tends to be pretty serious, so I try to lighten it up. And the audience loved it, as it was a nice reprieve from all the seriousness of the rest of the demonstrations. And so we were asked to come back the second year. My plan was to use a whoopee cushion on her, but it backfired, and everyone thought it was me who had the unfortunate embarrassment. Great memories. I have so many fond memories of those conventions, seeing old friends and making so many new ones, getting to see all the other great artists demonstrating. Everyone, including me, loves to see not only just artists, but great artists paint, and also take the time to explain not only why, but how they are doing it. Wonderful. Talking about concepts, design, and color. What an opportunity to be inspired, rejuvenated, and learn from the very best. And to be around such great people. That inspired and challenged me to take bigger risks, to be more unconventional, to see more, and try to be more unique. Finding out what needs to do to become more successful. And many of them become great friends, and I'm sure you're going to experience the same thing. At the start of this great movement, the magazine came out and the movement kept growing and growing, nationwide and internationally. It literally got thousands of artists to participate and raised the quality of everyone's work, and some of it to museum quality. Many of us, including me, were doing events and painting trips from spring to fall every year, getting that much needed mileage and getting pretty darn good at it. It certainly made me a better plein air and a studio artist, as I was getting invited to teach plein air workshops all over the country and internationally, and also winning some big awards. A great experience for me. This wonderful plein air movement, pushed along by Eric's leadership and all of his dedicated and hardworking employees. Like all of you, I am grateful for all that they do for us. Let's give them a heartfelt applause and a cheer. And thank you all. I will cherish this award all my life. Have a great convention.
Awesome. So it turns out that Ned is watching live on the stream, and he needs to experience your standing ovation. All right. Ned, we love you, man. You're an inspiration to us all. Thank you so much.